Hey, I'm Hunter Harkness here at Sunrise Marine in Daphne, Alabama, and we're just going to take a quick look at this WorldCat 230. Alright, so we're now up here on the bow of this 23cc WorldCat, and this boat has two 44-gallon fuel tanks, one on each side. It's got a 9-inch draft and an 8.6 beam, and if you look, you can see where that beam carries all the way forward. This boat also gets over 3 miles to the gallon. Up here in the bow of the boat, you have insulated boxes wrapping all the way around, and you can store stuff in them, use them for drinks, or use it as your fish box. You also have another cooler here on the front of the console. Up here at the helm, you see you have a nice leaning post, or you can sit down on it. You have a flip down footrest here. You've got your rocket launchers here on the back and plenty of space to fit even up to a 12-inch screen up there. Coming to the back of the boat, you see you have a nice flat surface that you can stand on and fish, but you also have these seats that flip up on either side with storage underneath. And here in the center, you have a huge 30-gallon live well. You can also see that this boat is powered nicely with twin Yamaha 115s. A few reasons that somebody might pick a Catamaran over your regular monohull is going to be one, that you can plane off on one engine with this boat. You can actually get up and run. Another thing you can see here, once you get up running, you're actually going to be riding on a pocket of air, and that's what gives it such a smooth ride going through the waves. Also, it gives you tons of space for this huge boarding ladder. Again, Hunter Harkness here at Sunrise Marine here in Daphne, Alabama. Come see us for any of your boating needs.